I just wanted to ask about your copy trading and why it's being drawn down and everyone's losing money. And they're starting to bash you because you opened your own school. And they're saying na how will you teach them about trading when you're losing?
Okay, so okay, sige. I've read that and they say na, paano ka magtuturo? Tuturuan mo sila masunog? Pero syempre, just to share an official statement about the copy trading of FX Denali. Okay, so CFX Denali has been my strategy account for the past more than a year already. And FX Denali has been profitable for the past 11 months with 3 to 5% monthly profit from the, of course, from trading. And it is being run by an EA and the strategy is hedging. Okay, so hedging is a risk management strategy wherein it opens buy and sell with the same currency. And specifically, ang tinitrade niya is GBP USD pair and Euro USD pair. Okay, so it has been very conservative and sustainably profitable for the past 11 months. However, syempre, not to make an excuse about what happened is that I changed the strategy from conservative to a little more aggressive. That is why I put some gold on that trade. That is why nagkaroon siya ng drawdown. So just to clarify that drawdown is just a paper loss. Okay? Drawdown lang siya, meaning hindi siya talaga actual loss. It is actually paper loss. So it's not yet realized loss. It's not yet an actual loss. Okay? So pag nagka-drawdown yan, normally, the track record of the copy trading, nagre-reflect dyan is yung drawdown. If mas mataas yung drawdown compared dun sa profit, magre-reflect for that specific month is yung negative, even though it's not yet an actual loss. Okay? So, there's no excuse again. Yes, meron siyang negative, but it's just drawdown. So, this December, I believe that we were able to generate 37% already for this December alone. Diba? So, we are recovering the account. So, hopefully, we will be able to at least help those who copied me na makarecover from the drawdown. Diba? So, that's my goal right now. And I hope talaga na makatulong din to sa mga gusto pang mag-copy sa atin. And in regards to the school, it's more of my mission, achieving my mission to also help those people who want to understand, who want to learn about a new skill wherein they can have an additional income, diba? Additional income stream through the financial market. That is why, it's more of impacting people's lives. It's not just about, okay, turuan masunog or whatever, i-bash niya na ako or whatever, but my intention is really pure, which is to help my fellow Filipinos na magkaroon ng skill, just like what I am doing. So right now, yung copy trading account na yun, it's an EA. So there's an algorithm, there's a robot who is trading in behalf of me. So it's not really me who's trading there. Okay, so my manual trading is not being copied by other people, but it is an EA because pinili ko na ipakopy yung EA because wala siyang emotion. Not unlike me. Siyempre, tao lang ako. I have my emotions. That's why hindi ko siya ginagamit na ipang-copy sa ibang tao. Diba? So, yung EA na yon will definitely help those people who want to have passive income and earn through trading kahit na zero knowledge pa sila, kahit wala pa silang alam. And just to highlight the risk, okay? Copy trading has risk as well. Siyempre, passive income siya, but you have to bear in mind na yung copy trading, pag yan, nagkaroon ng winnings, panalo ka. But, pag yan nagkaroon ng mga talo, talo ka din. Okay? So, you have to put the amount that you afford to lose only. Kasi if you will be putting money there and you feel like na parang, hala, talo ako, I hate Lady kasi bakit ko pinagkatiwala yung pera ko sa kanya, then, I hope that you are able to at least withdraw the profit because for the past 11 months, I have been earning for like 86% already, which is not bad already. Kasi kung ikaw, nilagay mo lang yung pera na yon dun sa bangko, sa bangko, kikita yan ng 1% per annum, diba? I-compare mo naman doon sa 3 to 5% monthly na income mo from the trading, diba? So, given the risk, syempre, you will receive higher return with higher risk, diba? Pero if you just wanted to do conservative lang and you cannot afford to take the risk dun sa pera na yun, then might as well go to the bank and then apply for time deposit, mutual fund, or bonds for a little more income but lesser risk, diba? So yun yung masasuggest ko sa inyo. So if you are an aggressive investor, then I highly suggest that you put your money on aggressive investments, which you should carry the risk involved dun sa investment na yun, diba? So, ayun lang guys. I hope this clarifies the issue. And I hope this business, itong school natin, will see, of course, you will be able to see the value that my vision is really doing. Kasi talagang yung vision ko dito is to really help you guys to enter the financial market. So, we are teaching here how to like manage your emotions, di ba? How to like trade in a way, trade properly with proper lot sizing, proper risk management, di ba? And also, ano ba yung tamang psychological approach sa pag-trade. And also, syempre, yung mga technical side and fundamental side, tuturo din natin yan sa inyo. Para at least you will become profitable. I'm not saying that you will become profitable agad, but syempre, along the way, the more you learn, the more you earn. So, yun naman yung goal natin. So, I hope this clarifies the issue.